Your phone buzzes again. The screen glows in the dark, notifications piling up. You're at your desk, coffee gone cold, papers scattered. Your mind, it's loud, replaying that email you didn't send, the meeting you overthought, the fight you didn't mean to start. You're not failing, you're just stuck, trapped in a loop of doing, thinking, reacting. When was the last time you felt truly present? Not just with her, but with yourself? Intimacy isn't what you think. It's not about passion or performance. It's about being here, fully, without your mind dragging you somewhere else. Today, we're not chasing fireworks. We're exploring 5 ways to pause, to feel, to connect. 5 Stoic practices, disguised as positions, not to change you, but to help you stop and notice what's real. This is Stoic Simple, a quiet place to breathe. If you've ever felt your mind racing when you just wanted to be, leave a small sign below. Not for fame, not for likes, just to help this reach someone else who needs a moment to slow down. If this feels like a place you can return to, join us. Subscribe. We're here to keep it simple and real. Let's start with spooning, not just a position, a practice of surrender. Picture this. You're lying in bed, her back against your chest. The world outside is noisy, deadlines, arguments, plans. Your mind wants to run. It wants to fix tomorrow, replay yesterday. But her breath, it's steady, slow. Can you feel it? Spooning isn't about what comes next. It's about being here, her warmth, your arm around her, the rise and fall of her ribs. Stoics teach us to let go of what we can't control. The future, you can't hold it. The past, it's gone. But this moment, this is yours. When you spoon, you're not chasing. You're not proving. You're just being. Try this tonight. When your thoughts start to pull, count her breaths. 1, 2, 3. Let the noise fade. What's it like to just exist without fighting? You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to have all the answers. Sometimes it's enough to just notice her skin, her quiet, her presence. The mind screams for more. The body just wants now. Spooning teaches you to surrender in life too. Think about your day, the emails you can't answer yet, the plans that keep shifting. What if you stopped wrestling them? What if you just let them be? Like lying there with her, you can choose to pause, to feel the moment you're in, not the one you're afraid of. Next time you're spiraling, try it. Close your eyes. Breathe like she does. Slow, steady. What's one thing you can let go of right now? Let's move to missionary, not the cliché. A practice of focus. You're above her, looking into her eyes. The room is dark, but her face is clear. Your mind could wander to work, to stress, to what you didn't say today. But Hergese, it's right here. Missionary isn't about control. It's about choosing what matters. Stoics say, focus on what's in your power. You can't fix the world. You can't silence every thought. But you can see her. You can feel her rhythm. You can move with her, not against her. When you're there, really there, everything else fades. The noise, the worry, the need to be somewhere else. Try this. Next time you're with her, look at her. Really look. What's in her eyes? What's she saying without words? The mind is a battlefield. It pulls you in 1,000 directions. But intimacy, it's a choice to stay. To be present with one thing, one person, one moment. Missionary carries into your day. Think about your work, the tasks piling up, the distractions screaming for attention. What if you picked one thing and gave it your full focus? Not tomorrow's problems, not yesterday's mistakes, just the task in front of you. Like her eyes in that moment, what's the one thing you can see clearly? Try it today. Pick one email, one conversation, one breath. Give it everything. What's it like to let the rest fall away? Now, the cougar position. Her on top. A practice of vulnerability. You're lying back, letting her lead. Your instinct is to take charge, to do something, to prove yourself. But here, you don't. You trust her rhythm, her pace, her desire. Stoics teach us that strength isn't always action. Sometimes it's letting go, letting her be, without fixing, without controlling. Can you feel her freedom, her confidence? It's not about you right now, and that's okay. Cougar is about releasing the need to be in charge. It's about seeing her and letting her see, raw, open, uncertain. Try this. When she moves, don't rush, don't push. Just watch her. What's it like to let her shine, without adding anything? You don't always need to be the answer. Sometimes you're just the space where she finds herself. The mind wants to solve. The heart just wants to feel. Vulnerability isn't just for the bedroom. Think about your life. The moments you want to control. The conversations you steer. The plans you grip too tightly. What if you let go, just a little, like lying there, letting her lead? What if you trusted the moment? Trusted her? Trusted yourself? Next time you're tempted to fix everything, pause. Ask, what's it like to just listen? To let someone else breathe without your input? What's one moment today you can surrender to? Dog style, not what you think. A practice of balance. She's on her knees. You're behind her. There's desire, heat, instinct. But there's also restraint. Your mind could take over, push too hard, want too much. But Stoics teach us to act with intention, not impulse. Doggy style is about finding the line between wanting and respecting, between moving and listening. You're not just chasing, you're with her, feeling her rhythm, matching her energy. Can you slow down, even when your body says go? Can you notice her, even in the heat? Try this. When you're there, pause for one breath. Feel her. What's she telling you without words? Desire is loud. Presence is quiet. The world pulls you to react, to rush. But balance, it's a choice to stay. Balance carries into your day. Think about your reactions. The email that frustrates you, the argument that sparks, the urge to fix it all now. What if you paused, just for a moment, like finding her rhythm? What if you found the rhythm of the day? Not too fast, not too slow, just intentional. Try it. Next time you feel the urge to react, take one breath. Ask, what's the one thing that matters here? What's it like to move with purpose, not impulse? Finally, the screw position, a practice of harmony. She's on her back, legs up, crossed. You're holding her ankles, moving together. It's effort, but it's shared. Your mind could wander to what's next, to what's wrong. But here you're elegant. Her breath matches yours. Her movements guide you. Stoics teach us to align with reality, not to fight it, not to wish it different, but to move with it. Screw is about finding that flow, where you're not pushing or pulling, you're just together. Can you feel the rhythm? The way her body speaks to yours? Try this. When you're there, slow down, match her breath. What's it like to move as one, without forcing? The mind wants to fight. The body wants to flow. Life is chaos, but harmony is a choice. A quiet choice. Harmony isn't just for intimacy. Think about your day. The plans that fall apart. The people who don't listen. The moments that feel wrong. What if you stopped fighting them? What if you moved with them, like her breath? Like her rhythm? Try it today. When things feel off, pause. Breathe. Ask, what's the rhythm of this moment? How can I move with it, not against it? What's one thing you can align with right now? You don't need to be more. You don't need to do more. Sometimes it's enough to just be with her, with yourself, with the moment. Intimacy isn't about perfection. It's not about solving. It's about showing up fully, without the noise, without the rush. Think back to that desk, the notifications, the coffee gone cold. You're still there, but now it's night. The world is quiet. Her breath is steady beside you. What's it like to just notice, not fix, not plan, not react, just be? Tonight, when you lie down, what's one thing you can feel instead of think? This is Stoic Simple. We'll be here when you need to pause again.